trying to wake up here.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
You ain't bring a stand, that's forget a one-on-one.
Rolling through the quiet streets of Waverly. Going out to South Fork today, finally. It's been quite a while. So, hope for some good dirt. Alan's going to be out there, and then Wilson's going to be out there too. So, y'all had to meet him, and should have a good time. As much as I'm excited about riding, I'm kind of excited about trying this drone out too. So, should be good. Well, we have arrived, and I'm late as usual. So, they're over here waiting on me. Let's see what they say when we roll up. All right, the diva's here. Give me your raw emotion of how mad you are at me.
Bound down to the chat, baby.
Whatever, man. We finally made it. You said you got no pictures last time, so we're getting you on the video and everything. Everybody, this is Wilson.
You're not gonna have much chance to get pictures now.
Why is that?
Lost an hour's worth of ride time.
Oh, we got time. We'll be all right. Yeah, I slept in a little bit this morning. Quite a bit of stuff out here. I really like the setup a lot, man. It's freaking sweet. It's like a lot more tight turns, and it took away a lot of the straight section. Dirt is like freaking premium today. I keep coming up short on that one. I mean, this dirt is like, oh my god. Woo-hoo! That's better. That's really fun. Beat you to death. Trying to take a different line through here. That's way better. Alright, we're gonna get it this time. Just a little bit more. That's solid. Now a little bit more gas. A little bit more. There we go. That was butter. Alright. I like that. It takes so much less energy when you're not over jumping the crap, man. You can tell I need to adjust that fuel screw. It's got that hanging. Woo! Let's get with Wilson, see how he's doing. So, Bush used to race quite a few years ago. He just got this 450. I've been asking him, when I first started at my job, 2015, and he was the first person I found like talking dirt bikes. So ever since 2015, I've been telling him, I said, for 6 years I've been telling you to get a dirt bike, man. He finally got one. I'm so stoked, man. It's cool as heck. Yeah, man. Nice.
How weak did that look?
That was good. Yeah, that was awesome as heck. That was a big jump, man. You launched that thing.
I hit it and I was like, oh.
Yeah. Solid day, man. Beautiful weather, like I said. Good stuff. Appreciate y'all checking it out. Subscribe for me. You know we got more coming. Y'all take it easy.